Sige na, continue mo na.
Po 16.
Anong 8 times 4? 8, 16,
32.
24, 32. O, ba't 0? Sabi mo 32.
Uy. Paano lang, sir?
Anong common denominator nito? 2.
Divide
O,
lang.
20 divided by 2. Bilang.
10.
O, tama, 10. Sige, lagyan mo 10. O, yung 32 divided by 2, ilan? Sige, bilang ka.
32 divided by
2,
2.
yes.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 32 ba?
Hindi, pwede pala tong 4. Burahin mo na tong 10. Pwede dyan po. 20 divided by 4, ilan? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. O, lagyan mo 5. 32 divided by 4. Bilang. 4,
8,
8.
12,
Bilang, ikaw na magbilang.
12, 16, 20,
32 divided by 4.
20,
Bilangin mo, ulitin mo. 4,
8, 12,
16,
16, 20,
24, 28, 32. Ilan? 8.
8.
Palagyan mo dito.
It's a big 8.
Ito na yung final answer mo. 5, 8.
5 plus 8.
Ito na, ayan.
Heart.
Ayan. Ten over. Oh, pwede pa ito may final answer. Common denominator nila is 2. Oh, 10 divided by 2, ilan? Matching.
5.
5. Oh, 8 divided by 2.
4.
4. Sige. Ayan, yan na yung final answer. Ano yan? 4 o 9?
4.
Parang G, parang 9. Hindi malaman. Sunod. 3, 8 plus 1/3. Sunod. Ano hinahanap mo? Ano hanap mo?
7.
Oh, sige, tama. Malaki naman, 17. Kabila.
34.
24.
Final answer.
Final answer na yan. Hindi na yan pwede yan. Okay na?
See you next